Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install n8n locally on your system for free. No cloud subscription, no limitations, and full control over your automation workflows. Before we begin, make sure Node.js is installed on your system. n8n runs on Node.js, so this step is mandatory. To make sure that Node.js is installed in your system, open your terminal and run npm-v. If you see a version number, you are good to go. If not, download and install it. After installation, restart your terminal and verify again. Then, run this command npm install n8n-g. This will download and install n8n globally on your system. The installation process will take some time to finish. Once done, start n8n by simply running the command n8n in your terminal. You will see logs, and after a few seconds it will say editor is now accessible. Press O to open it in your browser locally. In the browser, set up your local account with basic details. Click on next to head over to the next page. Further, fill this pop-up and click on Get Started button. And that's it. You have now successfully set up n8n locally using Node.js completely free. From here, you can start building powerful workflows and automations with full control over your data. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tech tutorials. And see you in the next one.